Okay, here we are again, guys. Another video, another unboxing. Of course, most of my unboxings are from envelopes. I guess it's an unenveloping. But anyway, let's open this up, have a look at it, see what it is, do a review on it, whatever. Give my thoughts on it. Try it on, of course. See if it fits, which it may not, because yeah, of course it's an XL. But of course, it was made in China, so a Chinese XL is a hell of a lot different than a Canadian XL or a US XL, and I need a 2XL anyway. So let's open this up and hope for the best, I guess. Not much else we can do, is there? Feels that logo feels kind of nice. Have a look here. There we go. Canada shirt. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll snap my fingers, and again, once my fingers have been snapped, I'll be wearing this. Okay, guys, we're back again. Magically, I'm wearing this. There you go, Canada. You can see this, and actually, I'm quite surprised. This actually fits. Again, normally a Chinese XL is like a small here, but this fits. This is a true XL. Yeah, it looks good. I think it looks good. It feels good. This kind of a rubbery logo here. If you buy one of these, of course, and they're all over AliExpress, but if you buy one of these, you want to wash this thing inside out, and of course not dry it at all. Just wash it probably in cold water, cool water, and then hang it up to dry. So there you go. Not much to say. Yeah, it's nice. It works. It looks good, I think. Perfect. So again, guys, subscribe to my channel. Need all the subscribers I can right now. I haven't really done a lot with this channel, so I've got, I think as of this recording, 37 subscribers. So subscribe, give me more subscribers. Thanks again, guys, and remember, elbows up.